All right, so in this video, we're going to be factoring 2x squared minus 9x plus 7. So everything has a coefficient already, so we're just going to go ahead and label A, B, and C. Then we're going to go draw our tic-tac-toe board. And our first box is going to be our A value, which is 2. And my second box is my C value, which is 7. And then for our final box, we have 2 times 7, which is going to give us 14. So we're going to go list out all of our factors of 14. So we have 1 and 14, and then 2 and 7. So in order to figure out which set of numbers we're going to choose, we go look at our B value. So we need to figure out which set of numbers would either add or subtract to 9. And we know that we're going to pick 2 and 7. Remember, it doesn't matter where the 2 and the 7 go, just as long as you have both of those numbers. But if we notice that we have a negative 9 here, so that means we need to deal with the signs of our 2 and our 7. So if I have a negative 7, because we know that the value of B is also the same value of my bigger number, negative times positive doesn't give me a positive. And then also, too, negative 7 plus 2 doesn't give me negative 9. So we're going to need to add a negative sign to our 2 as well. Negative times negative does give us a positive, and negative 7 and negative 2 will give me negative 9. So once you have made sure that all of your signs are correct, now we're going to go over here to our left-hand side and deal with that column. Normally, if we had a 1 right here, we could put 1 and 1, but we don't have that, so we can't go ahead and put that. But we know that our factors of 2 are just 1 and 2. So you're going to ask yourself, can 2 go into 7? And if it cannot, you're going to put a 1 as our placeholder. And then 2 can go into 2, so we're going to put our 2 here. And you double check, 1 times 2 is 2. And then we're going to go fill in our middle column. So we know that if this is 1, these two boxes must be the same. So negative 7. And then you can either work your way up or you can work your way across. You'll get the same answer regardless. So 2 times what is negative 2? That's going to give me negative 1. I also could have done negative 7 times what would give me positive 7. And that would also be negative 1. So once you have made sure that all of your numbers make sense going across and up and down with multiplication, then you're going to go ahead and draw your butterfly. And remember, this is your x values. So you have x minus 1, and then 2x minus 7. And then you can always double check your work by doing box method with these two parentheses in order to make sure that this is the answer you got once you did box method.